Hello, it's Joe again with Quilts by Carmel, and I am back. I just got off work and I found this in my mailbox. I'm super excited. I am doing a 3-month trial on the Soul Sampler box. This is going to be my 3rd month, so this is going to determine if I continue or if I stop. All right, let's get it open, okay? I've already opened the tape. There we go. All right. All right. Yay. Happiness blooms within November 2022. Okay. They did give us hints, but I have no clue what the clue leads to. So let's just open it and see what's in here. All right. Ooh, on the back of this, they always give you, well, I don't know always, but so far for me, they've given a coupon and it's a good coupon. 25% off Fat 8 bundles, and it's good until the end of January. So I do enjoy getting these coupons. Even if I don't buy anything, I like them because if I do decide, then it's available to me. All right, let's take a look in the box. Ooh. All right. Here is let's see. Happiness blooms within, and this is the Bliss Quilt Along, and this is valued this block is valued at $4.98. Again, I don't think I would pay $5 for one block, but someone else might. So there's that, and let's open it up so that we can see. All right, the first thing is the fabric, and it is Forget Me Not by Allison Harris of Wyndham Fabrics. So it's Fat 8s, and let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 Fat 8s. That's a pretty good size for fabric. I like it. It's not really my aesthetic, but I like the fact that they've given us so much fabric. Let's see the cost. It is $19.98. Okay, so that's the first thing. It's a fabric. And then there is, what is this? Triangle. Oh, let's go to them first. Triangles on a roll. Yay, I'm excited. All right, half square triangles. Let's see what size. 2 inches. So that means they're 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch half square triangles. I'm sorry, I'm really excited. I like this notion a lot. I've never tried it and I've had the desire to try it. Let's see, how many does it make? 800. 800. That's excellent. Let's see what the cost of this is. $12.48. So that's, I think, is a good value. 800, 2.5 inch half square triangles. That is excellent. Okay. And I love it because right now I'm having some issues with my 1/4 inch. So I'll be able to just stitch on these lines, and I'm super excited about that. All right. So let's see. $12.48 plus $20. So $32. So I already have the value of this box. I love that. All right. Let's keep going. Just keep swimming. All right. And then this is what I was looking at. I didn't know what it was. It is Triangles on a Roll coated washi tape. So, oh, look, it's even color coordinated for the sizes. All right. So mine is going to be this gold one here. I think this is great. The only hiccup is I only have this one roll. So, but I still think this would be great if you had a bunch of different sizes. Let's see what the value of it is. It is $8.48. All right, so we're at $40 already. So that's great. All right. What else do we have in here? Running out of room here. We have dog ear clipper tool. I think it's a ruler. Yeah, I think it's a ruler. You see the ruler in there? Let's take it out. This is valued at $8.98. And oh, okay, I get it. You are supposed to clip off the dog ears on your half square triangles. Oh, you know what? That makes a lot of sense in that it matches the triangles on a roll. Okay, that's cute. I don't know if I use this. I usually use scissors. And there's a lot of tools already out there that take off the dog ears, but this is cute. And maybe I could put it in like a travel bag or something like that. It's gonna go back in. There it goes. All right, so this is a maybe. Let's see the value. The value, $8.98. I don't know. I don't know if I would pay for such a small $8 for such a small ruler, but that's just me. Again, that's me. This is one of my favorite parts. It is the pattern. It's called Petals, and it's a table runner pattern. Super cute. It does not include the outer border, the background, or the binding. Okay, in this box it doesn't. But this is super cute, and I like that if I just add more fabric, I can make a whole quilt out of it. So I love that. The table runner size is 22.5 by 54. So I like this. I think this is a good value. It's usually about, yep, $9.98. So it's $10. So right now we're probably at about 50, right? Let me add real quick. 20, 32, 40, 50. And then the dog ear ruler is like $8, but I don't know if I would pay for that. And then we have one more thing here. It's ribbon. Cinnamon and cream, Fig Tree Company. It's 1.5 yards of ribbon, 1-inch ribbon. Let's see. I like it. I love this collection. So I think this is super cute. It is, I'm trying to see the price of it. $4.48. So I would say this box in total, because I don't have anything else, totaled about $60. What I like about it. Ta-da! I've never tried these. This is what I wanted this box for, was to try new notions. And this I love. So I get to try triangles on a roll, and I'm super excited about that. So this is my favorite thing out of this box. The second would be, ta-da, the pattern. I love the pattern. That so far all the patterns have been really great to me. So I really like that. So that's my number 2. And my third thing, I'd have to say, is the coupons that we get. The coupons that we get in each box, I think they're pretty fantastic. They are all, for me, they've been 25 or 30%. That's a good deal. Now, you're probably saying, why not fabric? The fabric is okay. I got it upside down. It's nice, but it's just not me. In this case, this is not me. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna donate this to the retreat. I'm going to T-Quilts retreat in 2024. And I think I will just save this and donate it as a door prize. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So should I continue this journey with the box? After today, I'm going to say yes. I'm going to continue for at least another 3 months. I really like getting the notions. I really am excited about these half square triangles. Here they are. I'm really excited about this and the patterns. I really like that. And I like going to the mailbox and getting a little surprise. So I'm going to continue for now. And yeah, that's my plan. Thank you guys for watching. If you would, please like, comment, and or subscribe. And if you like, try this box out for yourself. It's $24.95 a month plus $5 shipping. So $30, and you get almost double the value each time I've had this. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later, okay?